Welcome to Jurassic World Toy Hunt here. We got the new Sound Surge Indominus Rex here. I haven't seen a Indominus Rex here in a while. There's a Sound Surge Indominus Rex here. Is at Best Buy. It's for $16.99. We also got the Sound Surge Tyrannosaurus Rex here. So you got two of them here. You got Sound Surge T-Rex, you got Sound Surge Indominus Rex here. Let's look at the Indominus Rex first. That looks pretty cool. Here's a side view and the back view. So the mouth movement, and we got a push button where to make a sound here. There's two more in the collection. There's a Giganotosaurus and a T-Rex. We got the T-Rex and Giganotosaurus. I had another video with the Giganotosaurus one. You can see it down the road, but let's check this out with the sound here on the Indominus Rex here. Push the button on top here. So there's no, when the button push, the mouth don't move, but you can move the mouth manually only, and probably the hand articulation and the feet too. So, and let's look at the T-Rex one here. So there's a Sound Surge Tyrannosaurus Rex too. And there's the side view and the back. So the mouth move, but you have to move it manually, and the push button here. I can see the leg articulation, the arm articulation here. So it'll look like push on top. Hear the growl. This is a pretty cool toy for only $16.99 here at Best Buy. Okay. So we got the Indominus Rex and Tyrannosaurus Rex version here. $16.99 here at Best Buy here. There's also, they got the Diabolus top here. Also, don't forget Search and Smash truck here. We got the Strike and Attack Velociraptor here. There's a mouth movement here too. Velociraptor. We also have the Jeep Gladiator with Dragorex here. Hammond Collection T-Rex here. Thrash and Devour T-Rex here. Also got Track and Attack Indoraptor here. And we got the gigantic tractor Stegosaurus here. Stegosaurus. And don't forget, we got Blue versus Velociraptor Rock'em Sock'em Robot here. Blue versus Velociraptor Rock'em Sock'em Robot. This is $23.99 here. Push the button and these will fight together. So we got Chomp and Roar mask. But we're here for the Indominus Rex Surge and Sound Surge Indominus Rex. Sound Surge Indominus Rex. And Sound Surge T-Rex here. So I hope you enjoy this video. please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.